Hello Bernie, this is the program you sent me about setting up the games to be played in your tournament. So you would naturally, if on my program, you would set up on this page here, put your names in, individual names in here. That will automatically go into this page here now. So all these names, Eastleigh Rail A, Peary Park, they're all sets. You don't need to change those at all. You change them by putting in their code. So just say we wanted Eastleigh Rail A to play Nuneaton B down in this round 5 here on rink 1. So in this box here we would type in B1 on the drop down, and we will type in B2 on this drop down as well. Now the program has already noticed that B1 and B2 are playing already, so there's two ways that the program tells you. One, that goes red in these cells over here, and it goes 1 in this cell over here. So therefore you've got to find out which game is being duplicated. Well, you can see what you would know anyway, because you're moving B1 to B2. But if you wanted confirmation up here, a red mark here means that it's either B1 versus B2 or B2 versus B1. That is the problem. So we could get rid of B1 just by deleting it, and get rid of B2 and just deleting that as well. So now rink 1 is empty, but B1 and B2 are down in round 5, and everything's okay. We can move anything around in any order we like to. If we put the wrong league in, for instance, say we put B1 versus C2 by mistake, then the computer picks up wrong league. That's in this column here. It also goes red, because C2 can't play C2 in the same round. So it's going red because it's playing a B1 team, which we can't do, and it's going red because C2 can't play in the same round. So that's another safe fail feature of this. So that would have to go back to B1 versus B2. If you're not sure about B1 and B2 and what they are, see if you can come over here. You've got a box here that you could pick up and put anywhere you like, and that shows where the A1 and B1s is. You can also size it, resize it, and put it somewhere where it's easier to see. That will tell you what the names are. So that's the program I've made. I don't know if you've made it done this manually already, but if you haven't, then obviously this program is quite useful to setting up everything. It means you don't have to worry about duplication of games or playing in the same round, the same team playing twice in the same round, which they can't do. Anyway, I hope this video tutorial is of help. Let me know via email, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.